a pinch of salt and your favorite shampoo. The result will amaze even the biggest skeptics. It doesn't matter what is happening in the world. Even if a woman sits at home all day, she still wants to look great. Ordinary table salt can help her. It costs a penny, and an indispensable assistant for the beauty of hair and skin. Hair care. Does your hair quickly lose its appeal and become oily? Then this advice is for you. Add a pinch of salt to your favorite shampoo and apply on hair for 3 minutes. Rinse hair thoroughly with water. After the procedure, the condition of your hair will be just excellent. On the 4th day you will notice how much the oily skin of the scalp and hair will decrease. Alternatively, you can try more advanced salt treatments. Mix the salt with the conditioner, heat this mixture on the stove and apply it evenly along the entire length of the hair. Hold out for 20 minutes and rinse. This method fights not only with oily hair, but also prevents split ends and will significantly increase the volume of your hair. Face care. Add salt to liquid soap or to face creams, apply on face for 2 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Effect: perfectly moisturizes the skin, removes old dead cells. Feet care. The following recipe will help get rid of cracks and dry skin of the feet and legs. Mix 3 teaspoons of salt with olive oil. Apply the consistency to your feet. Put bags on your feet to avoid staining your surroundings and bedding. Keep the product on your feet for 20 to 30 minutes. Then rinse your feet thoroughly with soap. An essential oil of your choice can also be added to the recipe for a pleasant aroma. Relieve bruises. Bruises always look ugly, and even go away for a long time. To quickly forget about them, mix 2 tablespoons of salt with water. Apply the resulting mass to the injury site, apply gauze and seal the patch. A day from the bruise there will be no trace. Headache. If you get a headache after a long shy day or from hot weather, take a bath with salt. Salt in the water will relax the muscles and relieve pain. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.